It's a balmy 17 degrees here in Lancaster County. Actually, a frigid 20-something.
It really is 17.
Is it 17? Yeah. Whatever it is, it's super cold. My nose is running, my fingers are cold. But the good news is we finished our job up in a 2-day sprint here last week. And today I was here doing the quality control inspection, which is a part of every one of my jobs. Once my crew is done, obviously I'm here throughout the job to make sure things are running smoothly. But then after the fact, also making sure that everything is done the way that I expect it to be done. And I met with the city inspector here also, so he got up there and he did his own inspection while I was up there. And I've got a second inspection coming later on with the manufacturer representative, so we can deliver a guaranteed tried and true warranty here for this building owner of 20 years, no dollar limit on the warranty. So anyways, all that to say, I'm happy with the outcome. This roof was a fun one. It was fairly simple, not a lot of penetrations and stuff. The challenge was we had some rotten B decking. We had to tear all the old roofing off and get rid of that, and then put an R30 insulation value on the roof, which is about 5 inches of insulation. So the nice thing for the occupants in this building is they've got a lot of good insulation, so they'll see a significant reduction in energy usage in the summer and winter here, and no more leaks inside the building. Yay! So all set, and I'm going to get inside where it's a little warmer.